safe and semi. Fire! Nice. Although it's a metal and nylon construction. Oh, it can be removed. Cool. You can see the spring. You can see the spring here. So technically you can change this one to a fair one. It looks like the usual AEG spring, so that's nice. Although bad metal parts inside there, so I don't know if you want. I will recommend it to upgrade. This has this magazine has an own charger. You can put the gels here. Put the gels here, and then when you're firing, if you press this one, the gels goes higher, a little one by one. So it's, I don't know why they have decided to make it electric rather than mechanical. I don't know. Nice features. It's really simple. Safe and semi charging handle, and that's it. It has an extremely long barrel. Although it doesn't have an hop-up, and this is not removable, so that's a con. It's around, wow, 600mm barrel. So I'm not so sure if the cylinder can provide enough air for this one, but as far as I know, this is 200 plus FPS. It's a bolt action, so it's fine. For collectors, this is amazing. This is much cheaper than buying an airsoft one. It's, although there's an airsoft version for this one too. Upgrades. This is not upgradable, so keep that in mind. The PPO scope is removable. It has a somewhat magnification, so it's cute. But you can also play it like this. Oh, save it. Save it. How to put it back? I don't know how to put it back. Oh, there it is. Okay. This unit is around 6,500, and this is last one. This is the last one. So if you're a collector, better get it now, or else it will disappear. Because look at this, it's amazing.